I've always been fascinated by how the nervous system works and how it can heal itself. My research in the Schmidt College of Science's Department of Biological Sciences focuses on a type of cells called glia that shape the developing nervous system and ensures its proper function. In my lab, we use zebrafish to study how glia develop, interact with neurons, and how they might even help repair nerve damage. This research investigates how to use the body's natural support cells to help heal injuries to the nervous system, which could improve recovery from conditions like spinal cord damage. Zebrafish are an incredible tool because their transparent embryos let us watch these cells in action, something that's impossible in most other animals. Plus, zebrafish have amazing regenerative abilities, giving us a unique way to study nervous system repair. My students and I are pushing the boundaries of what we know about glial cells using cutting-edge live imaging techniques. At Florida Atlantic, this is where the forefront of neuroscience is being explored.